to fix your Android device is not vibrating during calls. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your Android device is not vibrating during your calls. So here are some troubleshooting steps you can try to fix that issue. First of all, you have to check your vibration setting. You have to go to your device setting and go for your sound and vibration here. Once you are here, you have to ensure that vibrate on ring and vibration on silent are enabled here. Just go and enable this all here. Also, you have to check that your do not disturb mode is enabled. You have to make sure that you have to turn off this do not disturb mode. Also, you can restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can also fix minor glitches. Ensure that your device is running to the latest version of your Android here. So if none of this above work, you have to consider resetting your device. Just go for the factory reset and erase all the data of your device. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix that your Android device is not vibrating during the calls. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.